Hey everybody! Hey, yeah, you, yeah, okay. So, I made a silly promise that I would do an unboxing video, and I love doing unboxing videos because I honestly, I don't know what's in the box. Well, I kind of know what's in the box, but it's making funny noises, so I'm rather suspicious. Dragon. So, I love to do art trades. I'm not really great at like placing monetary value on my stuff. So I love to do art trades. If you like what I do and you do a thing, let's talk. Let's see. La 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 la. Oh. Okay, here we go. And try not to destroy too much, you know. Ooh, tape. Okay. Ooh, we have. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. I got love notes. Okay. Oh, I have patterns for the stuffs. Nice. Is there two in here? Okay, but okay, so okay, so it's a magic bag. This is kind of cool. Okay, let's see. Twist. Okay. Do you just ta-da? Oh, okay. Never mind. So this is how you open it. Okay. They put the thing on the thing. This is why some videos don't make it to air. There we go. Okay. Is that the on, the off? What's going on? Did I do it? I did it. Holy oh, and yarn. I got colored yarn that I'm gonna do stuff with. I got yarn. Oh my goodness. Yarn. More yarn. Okay, I got yarn there. These magic bags are cool. Totally suggest them. There's lots of cool stuff in here. Oh. Got little bookmarks. I got bookmarks. These are cool. Okay. Little bookmarks. All kinds of. And they were made by friends. And I'm sure you guys can kind of see. That's just one of the bookshelves that we have in this house. And we still don't have enough. Okay, this is the coup de grace. This is the big gift. I've been calling this the void because it is purple and it is beautiful and it is all mine. And this is the void. It's a blanket. Oh my goodness! And it's big. I don't want to unfold it all the way. I got fur critters going on, but thank you, Dragon, and I'm open to all art trades, so hit me up, yo.